This is the final video to stop the forced Android QPR3 Beta update on your Pixel 6 Pro permanently. Are you tired of your phone pushing updates you don't want? This happens because Google automatically enrolls devices in the beta program, and normal settings won't always block it. Many tutorials on YouTube or social media show long, confusing steps that often don't work. On Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that actually works. With just a few taps in your settings and a quick command, you can opt out completely and prevent future beta updates. If you want a full step-by-step guide, comment below and I'll make it for you.